Planet Diaper Bag, Navy, large by Planet-Wise is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. These machine washable, waterproof bags are perfect for carrying your wet and dirty items. Planet-Wise wet bags are innovatively sewn with hidden, sealed seams for no leaking. Planet-Wise wet bags also resist most odors and stains, keeping smells in. Available in 3 sizes, small 7, 5x10, medium 12, 5x16 and large 17 inches by 21. Large size comes with snap handle. PVC free. Made in USA. Innovative, patent pending, leak-free design resists most odors and stains, keeping smells in. Antimicrobial, PVC and lead-free with locking zipper. Designer cotton outer with coordinating waterproof inner. Machine wash warm, tumble dry lower hang to dry, no bleach or softeners.